Matthew, and today I'm showing you about my hunter ceiling fan in my TV room. Okay, this is a white hunter, and it has like stripes on the blades, and it has a large motor, and we got this a long time ago, and it's kind of old, but my mom never ever dusts the blades sometimes. She does though. They're starting at Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right now it's on medium. Maybe low. Oh. Right now I'm putting on high. Now medium. And then low. This reverse switch, if we flip on high, it's not good for the fan, and it'll break the fan. It'll break the fan, and that's not good, and my mom will yell at me if I break the fan. But sometimes I do that with my mom's fan in her room. When it goes this way, it turns on and it goes that way. Right now it's on low. There. Okay. Fan has stopped. These holes help like the motor, and the motor is large size. And I got something to show you. Sorry, Mom. This is the light kit that we were going to put on a light for the fan, but my mom says that it doesn't fit, and she doesn't like on the fan. But this maybe could fit because my other light kit for my fan in my bedroom, it does fit. I mean, it doesn't fit, so my mom had to like take that whole tiny hole out of that thingy, that cover. And if my mom see that, I'm gonna...
Don't do that.
Why? If we take that out, and then we could like unscrew that, and then I could like wire this up and screw up. I mean, just plain wire it up and then screw this to that thing, and then voila, you got a light kit. And this is a hunter light kit, and this is a hunter fan. They're both the same, and this one's white.